Good morning. Today is Saturday. It's feeding time. They're so hungry. Today is so bright. They will be sunbathing on the cage as always. You can see that. They're so cute. Alright, this is Valentine's Day. It's a gift. A couple dogs are so lovely eating together. It's Valentine's Day for dogs. So cute, right? Look at that. Hi, happy Valentine's Day. So cute. So cute. Happy weekend, everyone. Enjoy your day. See you tomorrow. Okay. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe this YouTube so you get the updates daily of our lovely dogs. Okay, thank you for watching.